In today's data-driven world, businesses seek ways to extract meaningful insights from vast amounts of information. The sheer volume of data can be overwhelming, but with the right tools, it becomes a goldmine of opportunities. Interactive dashboards transform raw data into actionable knowledge, empowering users to explore data dynamically and make informed decisions. These tools allow for real-time interaction, making data analysis more intuitive and accessible. This essay will delve into popular tools like Power BI, Tableau, and Google Data Studio. Each of these platforms offers unique features and capabilities that cater to different business needs and preferences. Interactive dashboards serve as visual representations of key performance indicators, providing a consolidated view of critical business metrics. They help in tracking progress and identifying trends at a glance. By enabling users to interact with data through filters and drill-down capabilities, these dashboards facilitate a deeper understanding of complex data sets. Users can uncover hidden patterns and correlations that might otherwise go unnoticed. Whether it's tracking sales performance or analyzing customer behavior, interactive dashboards empower businesses to gain real-time insights. This immediacy allows for quicker response times and more agile decision-making. The rise of self-service analytics has fueled the adoption of interactive dashboards across various industries. Professionals from different sectors can now leverage these tools without needing extensive technical expertise. Business users can now create and share their own dashboards, reducing reliance on IT departments. This democratization of data access fosters a culture of data-driven decision-making throughout the organization. In conclusion, interactive dashboards have become essential tools for modern businesses looking to harness the power of their data. They not only simplify data analysis, but also enhance collaboration and strategic planning. Their ability to transform raw data into meaningful insights and promote data-driven decision-making has revolutionized the way organizations operate. Embracing these tools is crucial for staying competitive in today's fast-paced business environment. The creation of impactful interactive dashboards begins with meticulous data preparation. This crucial stage involves gathering data from various sources, transforming it into a usable format, and modeling it for insightful analysis and visualization. The first step is identifying and connecting to relevant data sources, ranging from traditional databases to modern cloud-based services. Tools like Power BI, Tableau, and Google Data Studio offer connectors for seamless integration with a wide array of popular data sources. Once connected, the next step is data transformation, which involves cleaning, shaping, and enriching the data to ensure its quality and relevance. Power Query provides a user-friendly interface for performing various data manipulation tasks, making the process more efficient. Data transformation also plays a crucial role in data integration, allowing us to seamlessly combine data from multiple sources into a cohesive dataset. Data modeling is the final stage where we define relationships between tables and create calculated columns and measures for deeper analysis. Establishing clear relationships is essential for accurate aggregations and calculations, ensuring the integrity of the data. In summary, data preparation forms the bedrock of successful interactive dashboards, setting the stage for meaningful insights. By meticulously connecting to data sources, transforming data, and modeling it for analysis, we lay a solid foundation for creating insightful and impactful dashboards. With our data meticulously prepared, we can now design our interactive dashboard, which will serve as a powerful tool for data analysis. This stage involves transforming raw data into insightful visualizations and incorporating interactive elements to enhance user engagement and understanding. A well-designed dashboard should be visually appealing, intuitive to navigate, and effective in conveying key insights to the user. The layout plays a crucial role in guiding the user's attention and facilitating seamless data exploration, making it easier to derive meaningful conclusions. A common approach is to follow a clear visual hierarchy, placing the most important insights at the top left corner where the eye naturally begins. Selecting the appropriate visualizations is paramount to conveying information effectively and ensuring the data is easily understood. Bar charts are ideal for comparing categories, providing a clear visual comparison, line charts for showing trends over time, highlighting patterns and changes, and pie charts for displaying proportions, making it easy to see parts of a whole. Power BI, Tableau, and Google Data Studio offer a rich library of built-in visualizations, each with unique strengths. Custom visuals can extend the capabilities of our dashboarding tool by leveraging external libraries or developing our own visualizations to meet specific needs. However, it's important to balance using custom visuals and ensuring the dashboard remains accessible to all users. In conclusion, dashboard design is a balance between aesthetics, functionality, and storytelling, ensuring that the data is both beautiful and useful. By carefully considering the layout and selecting appropriate visualizations, we can create engaging dashboards that effectively communicate data-driven narratives and insights.